For me, Zenith, in technical terms and in style, are head and shoulders above the rest. There's other brands that may be better known, but for me, Zenith are one of the premier watch manufacturers in the world, period. The Defi range is a relatively new range by Zenith. It's based on a model called the Defi that was released originally back in 1967, but it's a really kind of cool, updated version of this. Sports watch, essentially, a 44mm case with an amazing engine. I mean, I can't tell you enough how good the movement is there, and it's a world beater. It's something that Zenith have done that no one else has done before. The Defi range is available in a number of different materials: titanium, ceramic, and also obviously an 18-karat rose gold version as well. The price range for the Defi starts at £4,900 up to £23,000 for the 18-karat rose gold Defi 21. The Pilot series is characterised by watches that have a very vintage nature. There's a couple of different versions. This is a Pilot's watch, which is 45mm, so it's quite an imposing character on the wrist. A lot of the Pilot's range have their roots in the Pilot's watches and instrument panels spanning 100 years. This particular range is called the Type 20. There is also another one, a really famous watch called the Tipo CP2. With the bronze watches like this, they will actually take on the characteristics that are passed on from the oils in the skin, and it will develop a patina over time that gives a real kind of vintage, aged look, much like you'd find in a lot of old instrument panels and diving equipment. The price range of the Pilot family starts at £4,900 all the way up to £6,400 for the Tipo CP2. The Elite range by Zenith is characterised by a very simple, classic, iconic design style that's based in the sort of watches of the late 50s and 60s. It's very straightforward, very clear and uncluttered, typically from about 40mm upwards, so a really easy to wear dress watch, really. Also, there is a ladies' version of this available called the Lady and the Lady Moon Phase. They actually have a profile that they call ultra thin, so it's a really easy watch to wear under shirt cuffs and things like that. The prices for the whole range start at £4,100 all the way up to £5,500 for the chronograph version of this watch. The Chronomaster is Zenith's iconic watch, and it's iconic for a reason. Within this classic look, there's actually quite a lot going on. The biggest thing here is this open heart, which enables you to see the El Primero movement through the front of the case. The El Primero movement was developed by Zenith in 1969. It's what's referred to as a high beat movement. The escapement actually oscillates at 36,000 vibrations per hour and enables the watch to run incredibly smoothly, very accurate. This particular one here is a 42mm case in steel, but there's a lot of different formats there with dial colours and things like that. Really iconic and something that's really, really different. If you want something to stand out, this is the watch. The price point of the Chronomaster family, the El Primero, starts at £5,500 and goes up to about £9,000 for steel and gold versions. If you'd like to explore the Zenith range and try these amazing watches on for yourself, then come and see us here in the Tunbridge Wells boutique. If not, you can drop me an email. These are watches that you need to see. Pop in and see me and we'll have a play, get everything out, and I'll show you all the amazing things that Zenith do.